Having perfect eyebrow is super important to me, and I'm going to show you how I do it for myself. First, I comb my eyebrow hair with a spoolie and then trim off the longer ones with a scissor. Then I take a thread, tie it into a knot, and twist it like so. Then I crisscross the thread and trap the hair in the middle of the cross and pull out the hairs. I know this sounds complicated, but practice is always a way to get pro at it. For the bottom part, I use tweezers to pull out the hair because the skin is more delicate on the eyelid and the thread might cut the skin, so I'd rather avoid threading on this area. When I'm done, I use a toner to wipe and moisturize my skin. I usually don't put foundation right after getting the hairs out, but because I was filming a makeup tutorial next, so that is why. Then I take a really nice and thin brush. This one is my favorite from Kiko Milano, and the lasting eyebrow gel in number 5 to fill in my brows. First, I fill in the tail. I make sure that I'm being very light-handed and gentle when I draw each hair strokes. I gradually take the color forward to the beginning of my brows and make that part not as dark as the tail. And now it's time to draw some hair strokes in the front. You want to keep your hand very steady for this and make sure that you are hardly touching the skin, and that is the key to making the most natural looking drawn on eyebrow hairs. And then I do the same with my other eyebrow and we're done. I really hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. And also comment below, let me know if you guys are enjoying these short tutorials, because I find that it's much easier to film and execute the product to you. So I really hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye and take care.